Yo, what up, my guys? I'm out here with another vid. Just gonna do some testings with it, man. It's a little late out here, but this is the Tr-mt8e, the first version upgraded to 6S. I'm just gonna get it on some street to see what it's gonna do. I'm still running the same setup in here, the Spectrum 150 amp. You know, with the 3900 milliamps batteries, 25 current, dual, so it's 6S. I always want to get into it, my guys. You know, Smirk RC World, Adventure 710. Let's get into it. Spider rolling. She rolling this spider right here. Woo! I'm scared to really hit it on the gas, man. Cause these tires, I should have put my other wheels on it. Hopefully you guys can see this. I know it's late. This is the 980 kV motor. Came out of my Rampage. The A7X. I'm running a 4623 gearing. Not really getting on it. Tires balloon like crazy on here. I'm gonna see, can I unglue them? If I can unglue them, I almost flipped it. I'm only getting like half throttle. I don't know if y'all can see the wheels ballooning on this thing though. Wish I had some more light out here. Whoa. Okay, Spider lifting up though. She lifting up. See them tires, man? Wow, that is crazy. The tires is about to just blow off. Moves though, I'm liking it. This is my basher, my guys, so I don't need it that fast. It's fast enough for me right now. Right where is it at? I probably gotta put like higher power fans on here, maybe to keep it cool, because the gearing that I'm running. Oh, don't flip. Woo! I'm liking Spider right now. It's like the Willie King right now. It's moving. Oh, that thing just flipped. Alright, my guys. It's too far away, but I get with y'all. Jet life to the next life. One.